Okay, I'm going to talk about how to create your new object in the scene. Before I going to create the new 3D object, I'm going to hidden the existing donut shop so that we can have more empty space in our working area. You can use the select object tool. Use left mouse to click your 3D object, and then right click. There's different option. Sometimes you may use isolate selection. I will introduce this function later on. You can freeze. That means lock your 3D object so that you can't move it anymore. This time I want to choose high selection. Okay. It's not it still exists in our 3D world. It's just turned into invisible. You can call it back anytime by right click and hide all. Okay, I hide first. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate how to create our new 3D object. There's different kinds of basic geometry you can use provided by 3D Studio Max. All these are the standard primitives, and also the extended primitives are some 3D models you can be used. You can simply by just click and drag to create in your 3D scene. And I choose standard primitives. I use the spirit to explain first. It's very simple. I use left mouse to select it. You see it turned into blue. The button turned into blue. You can input the necessary parameter you want before you create your object. But now I want to just simply click and drag in the top scene, in the top viewport. And then you can see this is your sphere. This is the parameter of your sphere. This is the radius. You can use keyboard to change the size and also the segment. What means of the segment? That means the number of wire, the number of lines to form your 3D object. If I change it into maybe 5, you see it looks so many corners. It's not smooth enough. And also, if you want it looks more smooth, you can increase the number of the segment, but it will make your CPU works more heavily. And other option you need to know is the smooth. If you turn it off, you will see everything is look like some polygon, some square, and then it formed the big sphere. But normally we will turn it on so that we can look everything much more smooth. And hemisphere, you can cut your sphere into just half of it, or even all of it. And then sleeves. Crop and scratch is only affect the calculation of the distribution of the wireframe. So you can change it while you are playing with the hemisphere and also the sleeves, but you can just leave it. And I turn on sleeves on. You can sleeve your sphere into just pieces only, just part of it. Okay, this is Xperia. I delete it. Okay, let me try another one. Another one is the box. Okay, I choose box. I use mouse left click to activate the creation for the box primitives. And then I go to top view again. Use left mouse, click and drag. It will form the bottom of your box, and then I release all the mouse button. Just move your mouse only. You can decide the height of your box. Once you confirm the height of your box, you can left click your mouse and then you form your square. This is the perimeter of your box, and then I change it into a perfect square. It's not a rectangle. And then the segment. I use middle mouse to activate the perspective, and then I press F4. Use middle mouse to pan your viewport. Okay, this is my box, and I don't delete it this time. I choose cone shape. Cone shape, that means the bottom part. I go to the top view again, create the bottom, and then I'll release all the buttons from my mouse. Move your mouse to decide the height of your 3D object. Okay, let's see, I want maybe this, and then I left click to confirm the height. And then finally, you need to confirm the top of your cone. Let's see, I want this, and then I left click again. I use middle mouse to pan my perspective viewport. You can change the parameter here, and also the top radius. You need to change it, and you can change it here by your keyboard. Okay, because it calculates by the formula about the circle, so that you can change the radius. You can also use the sleeves again. You can use the transformation tools to move it, to rotate it, and also scale it to form the object you want. Okay, in standard primitives and extended primitives, there are different kinds of objects. All of them are some basic geometry you can use. Try to create all those objects in order to give some details to your donut shop scene. For example, in the example I provided to you, let's see. I create two donut shape here. That is torus. Okay. And then I use some spear and a cylinder to create a tree, and then just a very thin a box to form the grassland. And also I use a set of box to form a tree here. Yes, you can design your scene by using all these basic geometry. You can design your own object. You know, it's not necessary to create the same as mine.